Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is release day for Scrap Diva Designs, November release. I will leave a link to the website down below in my description box. It's a referral link, so if you place an order through that link, I do get a commission from the sales. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it when you use that. And of course, you can always use my coupon code at checkout, which is strawberry cream, and that will save you 10%. So yeah, I'm going to show you 3 of the different offerings for today and hopefully give you some inspiration for some fun projects and take some measurements of my projects. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. All right, so I made one kind of group project using 2 different die sets and 1 stamp set. This is the paper collection I use for most of the papers. It's a couple years old from Simple Stories. It's called Winter Wonder. And I just love that collection. It kind of reminds me of crepe paper. So this was the main die set I used this time. And this one is called the 3D Hot Cocoa Gift Pouch. Perfect for this time of year if you just want to give a little gift to neighbors, co-workers, kids, and you can put lots of things inside. You'll see it's a nice size pouch. So it comes with these 2 die sets. This is the backing piece and it has a stitched layer as well. This is for the bottom and the sides. It comes with the Sentiment Hot Cocoa. It comes with drips you could put on the top of the mug that you create. This gorgeous spoon, which is just, it's huge and just adds such a nice detail to your pouch. These are, this is the front of the pouch and here is a layering piece for that. Cute little marshmallows with drips on them as well. And then that's the handle. So let me show you the hot cocoa pouch that I made. And this is how it came out. I have it filled with some goodies. I'll show you in a second. But yeah, I fussy cut the front layer to have this cute little scene on it. And this I cut out from a piece of the paper from the collection as well, Hot Cocoa and Happiness. And the layering piece for the front of the pouch is smaller than the whole front. So you can use that if you want to, but I wanted to use a big layer for this. For the front, so I just used a layering piece for the back, which is over here, and then just cut it down to size and covered up the top with the drip part. So I think that looks super cute. I used some white glitter paper for the drip. I love to use that in winter. It looks like, you know, marshmallow or whipped cream or also snow. So that's why I did that. Here's that gorgeous spoon. Isn't that pretty? Really nice and big, fits with the scale of the mug. I cut it twice, once with plaid paper and once with silver paper, and then just kind of cut the plaid paper off here and then glued it on top of the silver paper, added a little piece of glitter paper as well, just to give it a little more interest. Look at those tiny little marshmallows. Aren't they adorable? You could add cute little faces to those if you want to. Let me measure the marshmallows while we're right here. And then I'll measure everything else, but let's get started here. Okay, so it is about, or they're about 5/8 of an inch side to side, and my finger's in the way, about 3/4 of an inch top to bottom. So adorable little marshmallows. And yeah, you can see how the top part of the pouch sticks up higher, so you can put lots of things in there, and you can see how nice and thick it is. Oops, my tape is coming off a little bit. I'll fix that. Okay, so this measures, let's see, it is about 6 3/4 inches top to bottom, and then side to side it is about 3 7/8, well, closer to 4 actually. And then side to side it is about 1 3/8 of an inch. So really nice size. Yeah, I put a double-sided tape here on the glue flaps, and I guess I didn't press that down enough. And then those are the handles, which I did glue together right there just to, I don't know, it kind of looked cute to me when it was glued together, but you can leave the handles, you know, both sides loose if you wanted to do that. And the back I didn't put anything on, but of course you could. And then on the inside are some other sets I wanted to show you, like this one. This is called the 3D Kisses Box. And these are all the dies you get with it. They come together super quick. This is one piece here to create the whole box. And it gives you score lines here or fold lines just to put it together. And then it comes with this belly band too right there with these like indentations on it, or for the bow. and it's stitched, as you can see. So it comes with this bow, or this bow piece, and then a layering piece as well. So that's how I made that little bow there. And this paper I use, this is a DCW V paper. I forget what, I think it was down the chimney actually. And same for the belly band, and it's a cute little triangle box. And if you slide off the belly band, you just open it up and you can see it fits Hershey Kisses. So it looks so cute when you use double-sided paper, and it fits 5 Hershey Kisses perfectly. So I think that is a great addition to a little hot cocoa gift set. And yeah, isn't that a cute little belly band too? And then I'll just slide back over there like that to keep it closed. So let me measure this for you here. This is about 4.5 inches long ways, and then one side of the triangle is 1 5/8. No, that is 1 1/4, sorry. And I guess maybe they're all the same. Nope, that's about 1 inch. Okay. And then this cute little gingerbread cabochon, I just hauled those from Temu recently, and I think they're just perfect with this paper. And then the bow, of course, you can use on other things as well. It is about 1 1/4 inches by 1 1/4 inches. So that I thought was a cute addition to a hot cocoa gift set, like I mentioned. Here is a little tag that I made from that Simple Stories paper collection, Hot Cocoa Season. I thought it was perfect for this. I glued on a ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and then on the back I used a stamp from Erica's new stamp set that was just released today also, which is called the Christmas Tag Stamp Set, and I used that one right there. I tried to clean it, but it wasn't coming off. I used a new kind of ink. This I got on clearance from Hobby Lobby, and it's called Burnt Umber Hybrid Ink Pad, so that's probably why. Usually I use dye ink, I think. So yeah, it came out really pretty, the stamp, and I think, isn't this a great Secret Santa gift if you have like a price limit or something? And then here I use the sentiment that comes with the die set, Hot Cocoa, and it cuts out in just 2 pieces, this part and this part, so it comes together super quick. And then I used my envelope punch board from We Are Memory Keepers to make this envelope, and I put a resealable glue dot or 2 on the back, and then I just put a hot cocoa pack in there. If you didn't want to make an envelope, you don't have to. I just thought it would look pretty in the presentation. You could fit, like 3 or 4 in there. I did put some crumpled up parchment paper or wax paper on the bottom just to give it a little lift for the 3D kisses and for the tag, so they wouldn't just fall all the way down. All right, I obviously have to glue that a little bit better, but yeah, so that is my little project for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it'll make a really cute, cozy gift. Doesn't have to be for Christmas, of course. You could do this any time of year for, well, especially winter for hot cocoa. But if you didn't want to put hot cocoa stuff in here, you could put tea, you could put coffee things, that's up to you. I don't think a K-cup won't fit in here, but maybe like a small bag of ground coffee would fit nicely in here. And just some, like other things that you would find, maybe like a small bottle of coffee syrup, that would definitely fit in there. All right, so lots of ideas. Hope you enjoyed. Again, my referral link is down in the description box. Doesn't cost you anything extra to use it, but it does help me out. So thank you so much. And please use my coupon code at checkout at scrapdivadesigns.com. And my code is Strawberry Cream. That'll save you 10%. All right, happy shopping, you guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.